From the dawn of time, humanity has looked to the heavens and wondered. But for Muslims, the cosmos is more than just a spectacle. It's a profound sign of Allah's wisdom and power. It describes the sun and moon not as deities but as celestial bodies moving in precise calculated orbits. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in His Holy Quran, وَهُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ وَالشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ كُلٌّ فِي فَلَكٍ يَسْبَحُونَ. And Allah is the one who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon, each of them floating in an orbit. All of you welcome to our Jamia Imam Nawawi radiyallahu anhu 10th anniversary and convocation conference. Thank you.